It's October 12th, 2017, and on this episode of the Crypto Coin Show, the Global Metrology Project ICO, or the GMP, a blockchain project aimed at creating a network of metrology centers and innovative technology clusters. It is a scientific platform for creation and implementation of 1,000 different projects by scientists around the world. It will unite a leading and prospective scientists from around the globe and implement world-changing ideas using accurate measurements. GMP's efforts will focus on making scientific improvements in renewable energy, future medicine, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, bioinformatics, and many other industries. I'm Ashton Addison from EventChain.io, and this is the Crypto Coin Show, where I decrypt the facts to keep you on track in the crypto world. The Global Metrology Project is the creation of a network of metrology and scientific centers with the purpose of providing services to satisfy a huge demand for the growing metrology market. It's sad, but no one understands what metrology is. Before you start to build, you need sizes and schemes. Sizes and tools for your schemes must be accurate, and for you to be sure they're accurate enough, you need metrology. Accurate metrology is at the heart of the GMP project, and getting accurate measurements of scientific research is necessary for the successful growth of every project. The GMP project was developed by Russian specialists for the purpose of making different examinations and measurements, provisions, and precisions needed for the safety of the world. Currently in manufacturing and many other industries, big changes are happening where high-tech production plants are created at a very fast pace, requiring high precision, accurate measurements with further analysis of obtained data. They will also become the standard of testing for industrial plants, household appliances and electronics, low-voltage equipment, incoming inspection of raw materials, and equipment assessment, and almost everything that requires measurement. GMP centers will even monitor medical equipment in hospitals and organize training for the medical staff to educate them on proper procedures. The GMP will create technology centers known as clusters, first in the Russian Federation and then expand throughout the Asia-Pacific region. The objective of clusters is to unite the best specialists to implement the most prospective ideas and the most innovative minds of modern times. The leading scientists from all over the world will be able to work together via the creation of GMP centers. There are some features dividing GMP from most other ICOs. The GMP project started in 2014, with the pilot phase and working prototype considered a success back in 2016, and they currently started the creation of what is to become 200 GMP centers networked throughout 70 countries. After the ICO plans to open 86 GMP centers immediately inside the Russian Federation, and then they will create their first cluster in Moscow. Then they will expand to the more surrounding Commonwealth of independent countries. Below is a link to an article about some of the GMP enterprises that were opened in 2016 and are now underway, and that is far from the whole list. This ICO is taking a unique angle because they're really not from the IT sector, it is more of an economic perspective. The creation of scientific clusters, really a platform that attracts and gathers high-level specialists having financial support from GMP and our investors all in one place to achieve truly innovative things. They have built a team of Russian professionals with experience behind GMP. Co-founder of GMP, Sergei Maltsev, has been an ideological inspirer, a businessman and philanthropist, and co-founder Igor Vasilyev is a specialist in project development focusing on technical, complex design engineering. Both of them have already had experience in network creation and are now dealing with several concrete types of complex equipment. GMP is hosting a token sale to fund further development of the metrology project. Let's take a look at the ICO details. The total supply of GMP is 500 million tokens, with 400 million or 80% being allocated to the ICO. The remaining 20% is reserved for the project's team. Right now, the token sale is in the first round with a better price than other ICO rounds. After the first round ends, the coin is expected to be listed on exchanges for trading. The ICO will go over 4 phases with a total investment cap of 450 million. 90% of the funds raised will be used to create the network of metrology and scientific centers, with the rest of the funds going towards marketing and other costs. 60% of the royalty revenues will be distributed pro rata among the holders of GMP tokens. To get into the early phases of the Global Metrology project, go to their site at www.gmp.im. Some people don't realize the importance metrology has in the creation of everyday appliances. This ICO is trying to make a difference in an industry growing with the increased adoption of robots and automation. And I hope I said enough about GMP tokens, but if you have any more comments or questions, please leave them down in the comments section down below. This Crypto Coin Show is sponsored by EventChain Smart Tickets, stopping excessive ticketing fees using the Ethereum blockchain by participating in our project at eventchain.io. I'm Ashton Addison, and thank you for watching. Remember to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the Crypto Coin Show on YouTube to see my next video when I decrypt the facts to keep you on track in the crypto world.